Hey everyone, if your Vivaldi browser is not opening, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix the issue and get it working again. First, try restarting your computer. Sometimes background processes can block the browser from launching properly. Next, check if Vivaldi is already running in the background. Open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac, find Vivaldi, and end the process if it's still active. Now try opening the browser again. Sometimes a simple restart of the app fixes the issue immediately. After that, if it still doesn't open, try running Vivaldi as administrator. Right-click the shortcut and select Run as administrator. So, if the problem continues, check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes security software can block Vivaldi from launching. Next, you can try reinstalling Vivaldi. Uninstall it completely, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. Finally, restart your system one more time and open Vivaldi to confirm it's working properly. And that's it. Yeah, these steps fix most cases where Vivaldi browser won't open. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.